All right, go ahead and pause the video and try this out. Solve by elimination. All right, B value, you got a match. Anytime you have a match, go ahead and subtract the equations. 2 minus 5, negative 3x. 7 minus 7, that one cancels out. Negative 7 minus 14, negative 21. Go ahead and solve. Divide by negative 3, and x equals positive 7. Turn around and plug that right back in. I'm going to pick the one with the smaller numbers. So I'm going to plug it into the first one. So 2 times x, which is now 7, plus the 7y equals negative 7. 14 plus 7y equals negative 7. Subtract the 14 to both sides. 7y equals negative 21. Divide by the 7, and y equals negative 3. So two answers, 7 and negative 3. Other equation. I do not have a match and I do not have an opposite, therefore I need to multiply by the opposite A or B value. A values are smaller than the B values, so I'm going to go ahead and choose those. This 4, I'll multiply it down here, and that 3, I'll multiply it up here. Okay, so distribute to everything. 3 and 4, that's going to make 12x. 3 and negative 3, negative 9y, and then 3 times 11 is 33. With the other equation, go ahead and distribute that. 4 and 3 makes 12x. 4 and negative 5 makes negative 20y. And then 4 and negative 11 makes negative 44. Your A values now match, and anytime you've got a match, you want to go ahead and subtract. Remember, even though we didn't have one in this situation with either example, if you happen to have an opposite of a number, for example, 4 and say negative 4, that means that you want to be adding the two equations to cancel it out. So in this one we got a match, we subtract, and we're going to go ahead and get 12 minus 12 is 0, cancels out. Negative 9 minus negative 20. Double negative right there is like a plus. So it's like saying negative 9 plus 20. That would be 11y. 33 minus negative 44. Again, the double negative is like a plus. So 33 plus 44, that's 77. Divide by the 11, and y equals 7. Turn around and plug that back in. I'm going to pick one of the originals because they've got smaller numbers. I'll go with the first equation. The 4x minus 3y equals 11. Y is 7, so I'm going to have 4x minus 3y, so 3 times 7, equals 11. That's 4x. That makes negative 21 equals 11. Add the 21 to both sides. 4x equals 32. Divide by the 4, and x equals 8. So your two values, 8 and 7.